Hey guys, it's Mark from InTouch. We're back with another product. Today we have Linkind Smart TV Strip with HDMI sync box. This is the ET6S version. We're gonna unbox this, take a look, get it installed, and see how it works. You can see here, it's gonna come with a HDMI 2.0 sync box, two 10-foot LED strips, one HDMI cable, a corner bracket, and a power adapter. This is, they state that it's suitable for TVs from 55-inch up to 90-inch. Let's open up and see what's inside. All right. First thing we get when we open up is, like everything else, it comes with a user manual. Gives you a full list of all the products, kind of shows you what products are here. Shows you the sync box, gives you the instructions on how to use the sync box, shows you all the ports, gives you, the way it should be laid out here, the ins, the outs, all that stuff. Shows you the QR code so you could download the AI Dot app if you don't already have it. And then it just goes through the procedure of getting it paired, getting it set up, and all of that stuff. We also get a welcome card. This welcome card, just like in the other stuff that we do for Linkind, it has your QR code for your Google Play Store and your App Store, as well as if you register it, you get an extended 6-month warranty. This is complete instructions that will show you the packing list. It'll give you the full layout of how it should be installed. And this is very important. Making sure that you're following this with it being the back of the TV, not the front of the TV, because you want the colors to all work as they should. Again, this just gives you an understanding of how everything should be put on. All right, so first, this is our sync box. Sync box has a power button, mode button, your left and right control. On the back, you're gonna have your barrel connector for your power in, your USB for your top LED strip, USB for your bottom, first one is for your bottom LED strip, your second one's for your top LED strip, HDMI in, HDMI out, and the restart box. It's actually kind of small. You can see the size of my hand. It's not gonna be bulky or take up too much room. Let's pick this up. We have, let's see if we can get this out of there. Looks like we have our power brick. Power brick is 12 volt 3 amp or 12 volt 3000 milliamp standard brick. That just a barrel connector. It'll just plug directly in here. No worries at all. Let's see. This is just a standard HDMI 2.0 cable. This is what you'll use to connect the box to the TV. These here are, they got a package of 4 of these. These are gonna go on each corner of the TV so that you can route and twist. If you can see, it has like a nice curvature in here so that when you bring it up, it gives you somewhere to lay this so that you get a nice clean corner when installing the LEDs. These are some zip ties and some clips to hold it to the back of the TV. These are going to be very handy when you're trying to put these strips on. And then you're going to have 2 bags that have 10-foot LED panels inside. So yeah, as you can see here, it's just rolled up nicely on the spool. Let's take the tape off. You'll have your USB extension cable, which you can't really see this on there, but the cable's about 3 foot long before it gets to the actual LEDs. And then these are 12 volt LEDs, and they have the 3M tape on the back that will be used to stick it to the TV. You'll have 1 strip for the bottom, 1 strip for the top. I do want to see if it is color coded. This one has a black connector. Let's see if this one has a different color connector, or they're just exactly the same and it doesn't matter top or bottom. Yeah, this one, they both are exactly the same. The connectors are the same. So they're just two identical strips, one for the top, one for the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and start installing these on the TV, and we'll be back shortly. All right, so after getting all of our LED strips mounted, which wasn't too bad, we started in the bottom, looking at it from the back, we started in the bottom right-hand corner like it shows. We followed over. I actually went underneath the mounts for our TV mounts, followed it around, went around our loops here, brought it straight up, and we stopped it there. Also, the other side is the same. We started in the bottom, we followed it up, and we just went across the top. So got it all in, got it all hooked up. We put in these little tiny clips. If you notice, there's some very small clips. I'm gonna see if I can point to it. Yeah, see there's a clip here and a clip here. These really help at holding it in this corner. We ran the wire up and through a channel that we had, so this way we could hide it in the back. We took the sync box, mounted it on the back of our TV mount, and everything plugged into it nice and easy. So all done, really clean. It worked out great. Just like in all other Linkind or AI dots lights, you can control everything directly from their app. You're able to control the individual colors. I mean, you can change it with it's super responsive, super fast. They have presets made, so you can set it up where, you know, they flow. This one's called Meteor. They have other ones. I mean, there's all kinds of different presets that you can, you know, set, so you can just set the mood. But the big thing is the TV sync. The TV sync, when you connect through the sync box, it just makes it incredibly easy and fun. The ability to change colors and how easy it is to change colors also gives you unlimited choices. And they said if you look in the app, it's as simple as just moving your hand around and you could just change. I mean, the presets, you know, just you put it on, it's that easy. It just quickly changes. You come up, you reach up, you grab another one, and you got a whole new vibe. So to wrap this video up, I just want to say these lights do exactly what they claim to do. Linkind did a great job with these. The colors are fluid. They sync really well. Super easy installation. Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong. If you're in the market for some TV backlighting, or you just want to add some vibe or LED ambience to the room, give these a try.